own LICO or NFT indexes and want to earn money with them? Then you are watching the right video. Today you will learn what staking and yield farming are for, and how to do it yourself. Liquid Collectibles offers you these two different ways of earning more tokens with the ones you own. Staking basically means committing your tokens to a pool, and earn rewards for doing this. Liquid Collectibles allows users to stake LICO and earn different NFT index tokens such as LIMO-I, NFAI, NFBI among others, and LICO. Yield farming is somehow different. Essentially, tokens need liquidity to be traded freely in a decentralized exchange. This liquidity is stored in different liquidity pools. A liquidity pool, also called LP, is a collection of funds that are locked into a smart contract, where anyone can deposit their assets and receive rewards in exchange for providing liquidity to the platform. So, Liquid Collectibles rewards incentives to users that provide liquidity to the platform through the yield feature. For yields, you always need to deposit a pair of two tokens, LICO or an NFT index, and BNB or BUSD. All yields rewards users with LICO and NFT indexes. They can be checked at liquidcollectibles.io/yield. Providing liquidity is not without risk, as you may be exposed to impermanent loss. This happens when you provide liquidity to a liquidity pool, and the price of your deposited assets changes compared to when you deposited them. The bigger this change is in relation to each other, the more you are exposed to impermanent loss. So, the difference between staking and yielding is that in staking a user only stakes one token, and in yielding a user stakes two tokens, and may be exposed to impermanent loss. To stake, once you are in Liquid Collectibles homepage, click Stake, and select the token you want to stake. Beware that there are two different types of staking pools: the automatic restaking pool, which means that tokens earned are automatically restaked multiple times per day, and manual restaking pools, which need to be manually restaked after a period of time. In this case, we will stake LICO in an automatic restaking pool. Click Enable, confirm the action in your wallet, then stake. Write the amount of tokens that you want to commit, and click Confirm. Confirm once again the action in your wallet, and the tokens should be staked into the pool. To yield, you first need to add liquidity to the tokens you want to yield. To check available yields, visit liquidcollectibles.io/yield. In this case, we will add liquidity to the LICO and BUSD pair. To make this, once you buy the desired tokens at ApeSwap, go to ApeSwap, Exchange, Liquidity, click Add Liquidity. Select the pairs you want to add liquidity for. After this, write the amount of one of the tokens to add, and the other one will be calculated automatically. Click Add Liquidity, then confirm supply, and confirm the action in your wallet, and you now have successfully acquired some LICO and BUSD liquidity pool tokens. To deposit them in the yield, go to Yields in Liquid Collectibles website, approve the contract of the yield you want to add liquidity to, confirm it in your wallet, click Stake LP, choose the amount to yield, confirm it, and that's it. You now know how to earn even more money with the tokens you own. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, comment and share it. You can also subscribe and follow on our other social media channels, links in description.